Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel row freeze. First, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the View tab on the ribbon. Locate the Freeze Panes option within the Window group. This powerful tool allows you to lock specific rows or columns in place, ensuring they remain visible as you scroll through extensive spreadsheets. It's incredibly useful for maintaining context with headers or key identifiers. To freeze just the top row, simply click Freeze Panes and then select Freeze Top Row. Instantly, your header row will stay put as you scroll down. Similarly, if you need to keep your first column visible, perhaps for unique identifiers, choose Freeze First Column. This ensures that crucial data remains in view, no matter how far right you scroll. For more advanced freezing, like locking multiple rows and columns, select the cell immediately below the last row you want to freeze and to the right of the last column you want to freeze. For example, to freeze the first 3 rows and first 2 columns, select cell C4. Then, click Freeze Panes and choose Freeze Panes again. This locks everything above and to the left of your selected cell. When you no longer need the frozen panes, it's easy to remove them. Just go back to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, and select Unfreeze Panes. This will revert your worksheet to its original scrolling state. Mastering this feature significantly boosts your productivity in Excel, making large data navigation much smoother. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.